What makes a logo design original, and how can we make high quality logo designs that do not rely on cliches? All of that in today's video and a bit more. Learn more about the awesome workflow tool Millernote later in today's video, and also how to sign up for free with a no time limit period attached. So I made a video a couple of weeks ago based around logo design cliches, and you guys really seemed to enjoy that video. But what does an original logo design actually look like? Here's the logo for the English Football Premier League, and to those Americans out there, that's soccer. Now I'm going to say right now, this is a very original logo design, but why is that the case? Okay, let's break this down together in easy to follow steps. The Premier League is made up of athletes who are at the very top of their game. They are the best of the best and the highest paid footballers out there. So, we can create some terms such as the best, strongest, winners, professional, powerful, and so on. Think to yourself, what would a cliche graphic designer think of, logically speaking, as a symbol that suggests winners or the best or premium? A trophy could be one of the most logical symbols as it does correlate with these terms. But if we take a look side by side of the actual Premier League logo and then the trophy alternative, it's pretty obvious which one is better. For the original design, the designer has taken a great symbol of power, that being a lion, and then given it a crown to further that prestige of being at the very top of the game. Notice how much more thought has gone into the original design as opposed to the cliche and common design. Let's now take a look deeper into another example. When you use a mailing service, you obviously want your parcels to be delivered quickly and you expect them to be direct and on time. This goes without saying. And one of the most highly recognizable branded logo designs out there is the FedEx logo. The orange color in the design is there to express energetic and urgency from a psychological point of view. And then this orange color is complemented with, well, its complementary color, purple. But of course, we know the arrow is hidden here, and that gives emphasis to a fast and rapid direct delivery. Let's place the unoriginal cliche logo next to the original one, and you can see here it is just an arrow mixed up with a postal van and some speed swooshes. A little pro tip, speed swooshes on your logos are going to give you a bad time. But in all seriousness, look how different these two logos look, yet both are from a similar concept, that being a speedy direct delivery for a postal service. It's so easy to see how brandable and iconic the logo design is compared to the cliche. This is exactly what I mean when I talk about cliches and originality. But let's take a look at a third example, and to do that, we're going to go camping. When you think about camping, what comes to your mind first initially? What are the first mental images that you have? That might be things like tents, trees, a fire, spending time with friends out in the open air, and just the great outdoors in general. Simply using one of these connotations as a concept for a logo is a cliche. It isn't exactly brandable or iconic in any stretch of the meaning. Like seen here with this bland logo, almost badge type thing, it does lack any degree of being brandable and any character. This next one is a little bit better, but still it's more of an illustrative kind of icon than a brandable identity. The next design, however, is a stroke of genius. This design takes two tent icons and uses them to create a compass with a north-facing motif. This is simple, it's iconic, it's clever, and it sure is brandable. And if you don't believe me, then check out how they look side to side mocked up on a rucksack. One design could easily stand out and be recognizable in a store of rucksacks, where the other just looks generic, forgettable, and almost like a badge. This is exactly what I mean when I talk about designs being cliche and designs being original. If your client wants a cliche, then try and persuade them otherwise, but if they're sticking to their guns, give them a cliche because they're paying you money. But if you want higher paying clients who respect good design, then you need to actively work on your marketing of your business everywhere you can, organically speaking. I have made videos on this before, so if you want to check one of these out, stay tuned to the end of the video. So today's video is sponsored by Millernote. Now I've been a firm advocate of Millernote for 3 years, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you will know that Millernote is a bit different to traditional software. Now it's more like working on the wall, so to speak, in a creative studio. It allows you to map out your projects, collect all of your ideas and inspiration in one convenient place, and it also allows you to collaborate with your colleagues or your clients in real time. So I've been using Millernote for the past 3 years to keep my creative projects organized, and this awesome tool is available for free with no time limit. So if you haven't done already, sign up for free using the link in the description box below and start to streamline your graphic design workflow today. And until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.